Hello everyone, in this video I will going to discuss about trigonometric functions. For any right triangle, there are 6 trigonometric ratios: the sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So we have here a right triangle and parts of a right triangle. So we have here the reference angle, and this symbol is called theta, and this is our right angle. The opposite of the reference angle or angle A is our opposite side. The opposite of our right angle is hypotenuse, and the opposite of our angle B is our adjacent side. Here are the formulas for the 6 trig ratios. We have here daso, katawa, cow, sacho. So stand for sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Ka stands for cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tawa stands for tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. Cow stands for cot is equal to adjacent over opposite. Sha stands for sec is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. Cho stands for cosec is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Find all 6 ratios for angle A. So we will find the 6 trig functions of angle A. So first is to determine the opposite, adjacent sides, and the hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is 5. The opposite side, or the opposite of angle A, which is our opposite side, is 3. Adjacent is 4. Sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite is 3 and our hypotenuse is 5. So sin A is equal to 3 over 5. For cos or ka is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Our adjacent is 4 and our hypotenuse is 5. So we have 4 over 5. For tangent or toa, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we have tan A is equal to 3 over 4. Our cosecant A is the reciprocal of sine A. So cosecant A is equal to 5 over 3. Our sec A is the opposite of our sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. So our sec A is equal to 5 over 4. And our cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So our cot A is equal to 4 over 3. Find all 6 ratios for angle B. To find the 6 ratios for angle B, just start over again and rethink them looking at angle B instead of angle A. This means that the opposite and the adjacent side switch, while the hypotenuse stays the same. So our opposite is 4, our adjacent side is 3, and our hypotenuse is still 5. So for sine P, which is the opposite over hypotenuse. You have sine B is equal to 4 over 5. Cos A is equal to cos B is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have cos B is equal to 3 over 5. Tan B is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we have tan B is equal to 4 over 3. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin B. So we have cosec B is equal to 5 over 4. Sec B is the reciprocal of cos B. So we have 5 over 3. Cot B is the reciprocal of tan B. So we have 3 over 4. Find A and B of the figure. So we will find the missing sides, which are the side of the opposite and side of the adjacent. So let's find first A. So we will use the formula, or sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So we have sine 30 is equal A over C. Sine 30 is equal to A over 1. Then multiply both sides by 1. Cancel out 1. So we have 1 sine 30 is equal to A. 1 sine 30 is equal to 1/2. So our A is 1/2. For B, we will use the formula K, or cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 30 is equal to B over 1. Multiply both sides by 1. So we have, and then cancel 1. Then we have 1 cos 30. 1 cos 30 is equal to square root of 3 and square root of 3 over 2. Then there are other way in finding B by using Pythagorean theorem. So we make use of the formula C squared plus A squared plus B. B is equal to square root of C squared minus A squared. B is equal to square root of, the value of C is 1, so we have 1 squared minus the value of A is 1/2, so we have 1/2 squared. 1/2 1 squared minus 1/2 squared is 0.75, so we have square root of 0.75. Square root of 0.75 is equal to 3 square root of 3 over 2. So that's so then we already find the value of our side B and side A. And now we will find the value of our angle B. So inside the measure of the right triangle is inside in the right triangle is 180 degrees. So we make use of this equation. Angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Our angle A measures 30 degrees. Our right angle or C measures 90 degrees, plus the missing angle is equal to 180 degrees. 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is 120 degrees. Then transpose 120 degrees. So we have angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So the measure of our angle B is 60 degrees.